one is rough size first and buff it from the centers right here down. And I don't think I'll get anything on Jada's skins at all. And I'm gonna spray it with alcohol. Usually we send the clients to wash their hands with no soap, but we're gonna ask, you wanna spray it in for Jada instead of. Good. Let me get some spray on this one. Now gonna be fun part to do some crystal placements and stickers on this one. Good. Okay. I am going to do crystals on. I almost spilled that one, Jada. Like, hold my breath. Do not make Oh, let me get the cute. Okay, so eye holes, condensed glue gels. If you are the first time using our condensed glue gels, this is really normal and it's really thick density. I just opened the brand new one to show you, but don't go for it to blend them out because you don't need a whole lot. Little smaller portions go a long way. It's really, it doesn't go anywhere. Can't be even like, if you spill it upside down, it's not going anywhere. If you are using a dipping powders, which is using a dipping techniques with liquid essential, make sure you put the base coat, the gel's base coat on and cure for 15 seconds first. Good. I am going to use that later for the stickers, but I'm closing it first because I don't want to cure that. No wet top coat on the top. This techniques will help. The no wet top coat and condensed glue gels, which is we haven't cured the condensed glue gel yet, will help grab the base of the crystal, stay in nice in one place. I'm gonna do a coat of clears on underneath of the nails as well to make it even look shinier. Picker. Oh, off, sorry. It's okay, I drop it off all the time, leaving. I drop a lot of stuff, like I spill whole entire thing. Y'all know it. If you hear in the background something like that, that's me. I'm just a little bit more conservative on the other fingers for Jada, but this one I bling like, Jada, you got a bigger one. Sarah, I loved the live from Sarah earlier. So if you are here and haven't get chance to follow Nails by Sarah Destroy, she did amazing live tutorials. And I'm so like, mind blows every time. It's like easy. Hey, pretty Nuna, how are you? Dude, they look so pretty. I know, I love them. I love them. beautiful. Cheetah is so stunning. I can't stop not doing it. Let me see the other one. You don't have to be necessarily 100% matching. Like, do whatever you feel like you want to do. Unleash your potential. But good. Okay, now if I'm happy with this, I am going to kill this in like 60 seconds. It's really simple. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's okay. Hey, fancy fingers. Ladies, hi. Abby, thanks so much. Maya, Abby, she said, hi Nancy, love watching your work. Thank you so much. Foxy, Loxy, we are doing well. Show off claws. You know what? It's a good question though, because on Coupa it doesn't show me at all. I will get back to you. I will see measure what it is.
It's probably like a 3 or 4.
3
on
or 4.
regular. Is she asking what your speed is? It's like a 3 or a 4. That's what it sounds like. About a 4.
About 4?
Yeah.
I know, it doesn't say whatever, but then Kira Sky was digital, so it shows really much better.
See,
mine's digital too?
Mine's not digital, but
See you tomorrow.
just by the sound.
Bye, Lily. Okay. Okay, you be careful. It looks great. So before we go into the next nails, I am going